it's like, what time is it? I don't even know. It's 11:30 in the morning. 11:30 in the morning. I've been out here working on that car over there. Can you see it? Right there. I've been working on that car since 8 o'clock this morning. Now I took a 35-minute situation away from it because I had to help with 2 U-Haul customers, so I was 35 minutes. So I've been working, this is all I've been working on. This is it. I've only been working on that car only. I'm going to show you what I have done since 8 o'clock this morning. I'm going to go ahead and show you.
Wasted days and wasted nights. Wasted days and wasted nights. Wasted days and wasted nights. I have left for you behind. For you don't belong to me. I have left for you behind. Your heart belongs to someone else.
So the owner decided he was going to get these LED lights, all right, LED sequential lights that are inside those lenses right there. And the day before, I went ahead and installed this one right here. That took 2 hours to put that one fucking light together. Then I came over here and I put this one together, but what happened is the fucking light inside the lens, the light inside the lens was sloppy loose and it wasn't lining up properly. So I had to take it all apart this morning, and you can see this is a real fucking fiasco here. I had to take it all apart. I had to embezzle my way into making it fit and work. We finally got it working. We finally got it in there, and it is now in there. But the problem we have with these stupid LED lights is that the socket here, you can see the yellow tape, I had to glue the socket on here because by the vibration and the pressure will knock the fucking light out of the socket. You're saying to yourself, well, you don't know what you're doing. Yes, I fucking do know what I'm doing. The people that make these aftermarket bullshit lights don't know what the fuck they are doing. I had to take that apart 3 fucking times to finally get it to where it will be right. Shit. Fucked up situation. So then I came over here and I went ahead and put, you can't see it. You see the wiring, you see the spaghetti factory we got here because the owner wants digital gauges and in-dash AC and heat and all this other crap. There it is right there. So I had to find the flasher unit inside there. I had to find the flasher, not the hazard lights, because if you hook it up to the hazard, then you're fucked. You have to hook it to the flashers. And then inside there's this fucking computer board with a flasher unit on it and 3 wires that come out that go one, and one. Okay, and you gotta, here's the ground wire, you can see that. That's the ground wire. I don't know if you can see that, but you just saw me touch it, is what you saw. So then I get these fucking lights done, I get them all done, and I move on to trying to finish the fucking trunk area out. What am I talking about? I'm talking about finishing this fucking car and getting it out of my life after 9 fucking years is what I'm talking about. Right there. Do you see that gas fucking deal where the gas goes in? So, this does not install like the factory one because the gas tank that he used, and I'm not going to take this cover off to show you, is a fuel injection gas tank that's supposed to be an exact replica of the one that is in the car, except the only difference is that it's got an in-tank electric fuel pump inside here. Let me get that piece of shit out of there. So underneath this plate that I made is the gas tank, and then right here is the filler neck. So you see what I had to do here. You can see this. This is not factory. This is not factory, okay? I had to fucking cut the factory hose because the factory neck, which is right here, this is the 68 factory neck. It actually, let me go ahead and show you what it did here. We're gonna come over here, and instead of lining up down here, it lined up way over here. Do you see that? Okay, so there's that. Now, remember, I did this morning. Okay, this is all I've done is fix this fucking tail light and do this right here. I had to cut the factory neck off and then do this shit. And then I had to buy this fucking hose for $45 fucking dollars. And then I got this in here. Well, I went to look for the gas cap. I said, I need the gas cap to line it up so I know where it fucking goes. I got to have it where it fucking goes because these gas caps are fucking stupid. And there's a cable that holds it on. You gotta have it just right so it'll fucking line up. So I start searching. I start searching through all these fucking boxes, and here's some more fucking boxes, and more fucking shit right here, and I'm searching around, and for 3 fucking hours, for 2.5 fucking hours, I am searching in boxes to find a fucking gas cap that he paid $150 for a fucking year ago. I finally find the fucking gas cap in all of these fucking parts that go to this fucking car that he's been sending me for 7 fucking years. And of course, this is a GT gas cap. That means that it has a trap door on it, and this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. It's awesome. But you know what it is? It's fucking aftermarket. So I'm over here working on the gas cap. I finally find it, and look what happens. The little pins on the GT, the little pins, are flush mounted. They're flush mounted. That means that we cannot put these on here that hold it on. We cannot do that. These will not fucking work. They will not go on here and hold this on here. So I got 2 options here, people. Two, uno, dos. To fix the fucking gas cap so I can get this little stupid bullshit job done. Bullshit job done. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out very carefully without scratching the beautiful $150 polished fucking metal, whatever this is. Don't break that. And then what I will do is I can take my Dremel tool, my grinder, and grind this down. Okay, I can grind that down so these will fit on there. And then I have another option, which I believe is more smarter and better to do. And what that is to take this and this right here and glue the fucking thing onto it. Because this is aftermarket, and to tell you the honest truth, I believe that's how this one is supposed to be fucking mounted. Glued on, not fucking put on with fucking clips. This car is driving me insanely crazy. I want it fucking gone. So I am going to close that like that. And we are going to see, we're going to go ahead and attempt to actually glue this on here. It barely fucking fits, just to let everybody know. The holes are like fucking super tight, and it could break at any time. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on this, and I'm going to hope that it doesn't squeeze out and look like shit. That's the plan that I'm hoping for. I'm not going to grind it. I don't want to grind it. I don't want to manipulate the son of a bitch. $150 fucking dollars. And then, you know, something break on it or something happen. So we're gonna glue that on there, and then what we'll do is we'll open this up. Okay, we're gonna open it up like this. If I can fucking open it. And then we will glue the pins to it. We're gonna go ahead and glue that just like that. And I think that will actually hold it better than the stupid aftermarket piece of shit made in Taiwan fucking clips. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, this is a Scott Drake. Now, Scott Drake is an American situation. That looks like crap. I don't like that. I don't fucking like it. I'm taking it out. That looks like total dog shit. We're going to have to take it out of here, and then we will clean it, and we're going to have to just glue it from the backside. Yeah, that's going to look like shit. So, yeah, that looks like crap. Real fucking dog shit. So we'll go ahead and remove the glue on this. Hopefully it'll come right off. Who fucking knows? This will come off. There it is. So this is what I've been doing all fucking day. Half a fucking day's work. This is what I've been doing. Total fucking bullshit. Clean that off of there. So, if you think you're having bad days and all that, believe me, my friend, You are not the only one having a bad day. My bad day might not be as bad as your bad day. You might be in some type of situation where your bad day is worse than mine. But the real fucking deal is, everybody has bad fucking days. We're not talking 1 day or 2 days or one a month. We're talking every fucking day. It seems like the day just does not get better. And you wake up in the morning and you know it's gonna be a shitty day. You fucking know it, but you know what? You've got to take the fucking glue adhesive and you have got to go ahead and do that, and you've got to fight the battle of being the person that you need to be to get the job done, is what you got to do. Because even if you are fighting medical battles, there's always a way out of getting it done and doing it right. This is just an example of time is not on my side anymore. The older we get, the more time we have less of, if that makes any sense. So, what I will do to get this done, I'm not going to grind on it. I will not do that. I am going to take my glue like this, and I'm going to go ahead and fill that hole like that, and then I'll fill this hole here, and then that one there, and then I will take my rag, okay? Patience, people, patience. And I'll get to that in a minute, so just hang tight. We're going to go ahead and clean this up again. This should, the way that this thing fits in here and how tight it is, it should, oh, you motherfucker. Oh, God. This one fucking hole right here is fucking with me. It's always that one. It's always the last fucking one. Okay. Okay, so we got glue in the hole. Let's go ahead and try this. All right, here we go. Patience, people. Patience. Because I know you're that guy out there that's got more problems than I got. Okay, so it's snapped in place and it looks nice. Let's go ahead and clean around this one right here. There we go. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I see glue has dripped everywhere. All right, look what we got. I think we got it, guys. Bitch. So, now that I've calmed down a little bit and we've kind of got through the frustration and the anger that we are fucking fighting every fucking day, I can go ahead and tell you that you're not the only one out there that has issues. People think I'm rich. I am not fucking rich by any means whatsoever. I work for a living. Most of the time I work 7 days a week. And this is the problems that you got to understand and work through the situation of fighting the good fight. Always remember one thing, you're getting older, not younger. The older you get, the less time you have. Enjoy what you can do with your life, and don't be like my friend Pete and be a slave to the trade. If you have a job that you will be retiring from and get a healthy retirement, keep that job, don't quit it. I had a good job at one time. If I would have stayed there, I would have great retirement benefits, but I did what I had to do at the time because it was the best for me in raising my kids to the quality that they are, that I wanted to be that person to be with my children instead of worry about my future. Sometimes I look at that and I tell myself it was a mistake. I should have kept my fucking real job. But then I look at my children and I say, you know, they're self-contained, they don't do drugs, they're not alcoholics, they're not troublemakers. I did a good fucking job raising my kids, but I still struggle every fucking day. So take it from my friend Pete and don't give up. You will find the answer. All it takes is a little bit of calming down, concentrating, and possibly sometimes walking away from it. Find something else to do. Let your mind clear and don't have a trigeminal nerve problem issue like my friend Pete does right fucking there that goes down to my fucking nose. So I do have fucking problems. My face hurts every fucking day, all fucking day long. It's from some muscle right here in my fucking neck that's pinching a fucking nerve, and it feels like fucking pulling on my face. I have more fucking problems than you even know about. My friend Pete, your friend Pete, everybody's friend Pete. Doing it right. And learning that time is not on our side, and the hardest fucking job you will ever have in your life is getting fucking old. See that? Getting old. Getting fucking old.
The days ain't wasted time. You're just a job to me, that's all. You make me sick to my stomach, you cabron. You are a piece of junk and jerky, a rusted fucking piece of shit. Forever and ever, till never ever comes again. You bastard. You son of a bitch car that you are. Why should you get in my way to make me slave all night and day? And why should I eat a big shit for just a little bit for making me stray, Jose? It's you. You're just a job. And I'm sick and lonely. I hated you only. Old car.